Since we're all going to die, the only thing left in life is to do something about taxes. LR 300 called the consumption taxes a good start at solving that problem. For any problem to be solved, it must be perfectly described if there's any hope of finding a solution. We do not go to the shooting range with a blindfold on, nor should we try to solve this property tax problem without seeing the target. We need $9 billion to come from someplace. Is the number the problem, or does the taxpayer feel they're not getting a good return on the money they pay? The government must use our tax dollars properly by doing only that which reduces future expenses and not to buy votes from special interests. This problem would be considerably easier to solve if the taxpayers felt they were getting their money's worth. When school administrators are paid more than the governor and the quality of the product is falling, that does not engender confidence in the way our money is spent. The cost of education is over $16,000 per year per student, with no indication it's going down. It is only one example. To tax property means the property owner never really owns the land, actually only renting it from the government. It is unfair to tax net worth of the farmers and ranchers if everyone else's net worth, including stocks, bonds, and pensions, are not taxed as well. Income tax is a tax on success, and to carve out exceptions makes it even more unfair by rewarding low productivity. It is un-American for success to be penalized. A tax on business is a shell game and a fraud, playing into the socialistic mindset. Any tax on business is simply a cost of business and is always passed through and paid for by the consumer. Taxes are becoming a game of us versus them. We are supposed to be a government of the people, by the people, for the people. Instead, taxpayers are looking at government as the adversary and suspicious of how it spends. The spectrum of 1,000 legislative bills each session seems to be looking for problems we didn't know we had, rather than looking for ways to reduce spending. The tax on consumption is the most fair, as it is the foundation of a capitalistic free market economy and is most progressive. The bottom line is we must generate $9 billion from 2 million Nebraskans. With the consumption tax, the regressive nature of tax is eliminated. An appropriate percentage on the estimated $115 billion in purchases would solve the problem and eliminate all of the other irritating and unfair taxes. It would cause our state's economy to explode, and it would be the envy of all the other states because we would have no income or property tax. The only job we have is to make the world a better place. Fixing our tax system with LR 300 is a very good start. This is Keith Kuby wishing you the best in making the world a better place.